Did you know that many schools and colleges completely skip teaching essential financial skills that can make or break your financial future? While they focus on textbooks and exams, they often miss the very tools you need to navigate the real world. Have you ever wondered why so many people graduate with a degree but struggle to manage their money? It's not because they're not smart enough. It's because they were never taught the skills that truly matter when it comes to managing their finances. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 critical financial skills that schools and colleges completely ignore, and how learning them can set you up for financial success. Let's get started. 1. Understanding the psychology of money. We all know math is essential in school, but how many times were you taught how emotions impact your spending? Schools focus on the basics like adding, subtracting, and balancing a checkbook, but they miss the deeper issue: why we spend money the way we do. Behavioral finance, or the psychology behind how we make financial decisions, is almost completely ignored in the classroom. The truth is, our financial habits are shaped by emotions, cognitive biases, and external influences like social media and advertising. Did you know that the average consumer is bombarded with around 5,000 advertisements every single day? From the buy now, pay later schemes to stress-driven shopping sprees, these triggers manipulate how we manage money. Schools rarely teach students how to spot these emotional spending patterns or how to break free from them. Learning to understand your money mindset and how emotions impact your decisions can lead to financial resilience. If you're aware of these influences, you can make better choices, avoid impulsive spending, and ultimately break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. It's not just about having the right tools. It's about using the right mindset to stay in control. So, the first crucial financial lesson is to understand that your relationship with money is driven by more than just numbers. If you learn how to manage your emotions and recognize these triggers, you'll be miles ahead in the financial game. 2. Advanced debt and credit management. We all hear about the importance of saving money, but how many times did your school teach you how to handle debt effectively? High-interest credit cards, student loans, and car leases are often treated as mere facts of life, but they're actually the primary cause of financial struggles for many. Understanding how debt works is one of the most critical financial skills that most schools fail to teach. You might have learned about the concept of interest in school, but how much do you really know about how it accumulates, especially when it comes to high-interest debt? The reality is that most students graduate without knowing how to manage their credit scores, how to read a complicated loan contract, or how much interest they will end up paying in the long run. A lack of understanding in these areas can lead to costly mistakes that impact your financial health for decades. A solid grasp of debt management techniques, like debt consolidation, prioritizing high-interest loans, and maintaining a healthy credit score, can help you avoid long-term instability. When you learn how to manage your debt efficiently, you not only protect your credit score, but also give yourself the freedom to make better financial decisions. Schools fail to teach students how to leverage debt to their advantage, and this gap can set them back in the future. By understanding how credit works and how to use debt strategically, you'll save money in the long run and be in a much better position to build wealth. 3. Practical tax planning and optimization. Taxes are often the largest expense we face in our lifetimes, but do schools teach us how to reduce them? Most of us only learn about taxes during tax season when it's already too late. While taxes are briefly mentioned in high school or college, most people don't get a thorough understanding of tax planning or how to optimize their tax situation throughout the year. The real problem lies in the difference between tax evasion, which is illegal, and tax avoidance, which is perfectly legal. Schools teach the basics of taxation, but they fail to show you how to minimize what you owe legally using strategies like tax advantage accounts, such as IRAs, 401ks, and health savings accounts, HSAs. These tools can dramatically reduce your tax burden and allow your wealth to grow faster. Imagine saving money on taxes while also investing for your future. How much more could you build? In reality, tax planning and optimization are essential skills for anyone wanting to build wealth. The wealthy often use these strategies to protect their earnings and minimize their tax liabilities. But unfortunately, this information is not commonly taught in school. Whether it's maximizing tax deductions or knowing the best time to contribute to retirement accounts, learning these techniques will save you money and allow you to keep more of your hard-earned cash. Mastering taxes isn't just about filling out forms. It's about using the system to your advantage. By understanding tax laws and how to structure your finances, you'll be able to keep more money in your pocket and grow your wealth over time. 4. Investing beyond safe savings. Many schools emphasize the importance of saving money, but what they don't teach is how to make your money work for you. Saving in low-interest accounts may feel secure, but it's actually losing value over time due to inflation. You might be diligently saving in your bank account, but are you really building wealth? To build lasting wealth, you need to understand the power of investing. While some people are intimidated by the stock market or real estate investing, they fail to realize that investing is the best way to grow wealth over time. Schools rarely teach about the power of compounding, the value of stocks, or the benefits of diversifying your investments in things like ETFs or real estate. When you start investing in stocks or real estate, your money works for you, earning returns that outpace inflation and traditional savings accounts. In fact, $1 invested today in the right assets will likely grow into much more over time, allowing you to build long-term wealth. By learning about investment vehicles and risk management strategies, you can make informed decisions that help you grow your wealth instead of letting your savings stagnate. Understanding risk tolerance, diversification, and how to build a long-term portfolio is crucial to financial success. Schools should teach students how to invest and how to make their money grow. But unfortunately, they often miss this critical skill. If you start investing early, the returns over time can be life-changing. 5. Negotiation and high-value communication. When was the last time you were taught how to negotiate your salary or secure a better deal on a loan? Chances are it wasn't part of your formal education. Schools rarely teach negotiation or high-value communication skills, yet these are some of the most crucial abilities for financial success. Being able to negotiate your salary, ask for raises, and secure better deals on contracts or loans is a skill that can dramatically increase your lifetime earnings. Negotiation is an essential part of business and personal finance, and it's something you should develop early on. Without the ability to negotiate, you're leaving money on the table, especially when it comes to salaries, contracts, and even everyday purchases. The rich are often great negotiators, and they know how to maximize their earnings by negotiating better terms in their personal and professional lives. Whether it's negotiating a higher salary, securing lower interest rates, or even negotiating the price of a car, these skills are invaluable. If schools taught negotiation techniques and how to communicate effectively to get what you want, many students would leave with a much more financially secure future. Learning how to communicate and negotiate effectively doesn't just increase your income, it also gives you the power to control your financial destiny. Whether negotiating a raise, lowering your bills, or getting a better deal on services, mastering this skill can have a massive impact on your financial success. The financial skills we've covered today are essential for anyone looking to build long-term wealth, yet they're often missing from school and college curricula. From understanding the psychology of money to mastering advanced debt management, practical tax planning, investing, and negotiation, these skills are crucial for financial success in the real world. If you recognize these gaps in your education, don't worry. It's never too late to start learning and applying these skills. The good news is that with the right resources, tools, and mindset, anyone can master these skills and take control of their financial future. Make sure to check out my other videos for more tips on building wealth, mastering money, and improving your financial literacy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more financial advice that will help you achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.